Hey guys, welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. Vlad is here, and today we're going to talk about descendant of the Rolex Cellini, the 1908 model that Rolex came up in last year. So let's stay tuned and talk closer about this watch. Hey guys, welcome back to SwissWatchExpo. We are all know Rolex for their sport models, stainless steel or steel and yellow gold, but they also make a lot of dress watches for their collection, and they make them for like all different type of tastes. Last year we all were surprised when they discontinued the Cellini model, but this year they come up with something fresher and they review their dress lineups very much. So let's take a look and dive a little bit deeper into the new Rolex lineup, which called 1908. So let's first talk about the name of the model. So it's called 1908 because 1908 was the year when the Rolex first patented their trademark and they start calling themselves as Rolex. So this watch also like involved all the heritage of the brands inside of it. So the idea behind this watch is to make very practical but also super elegant watch in Rolex collection, because most of their watches are sport models and they're super hard but also very nicely crafted. But this watch is very elegant in its structure and its build and the way it's look. So watch come in 39 millimeters, which we're already familiar with from like Cellini lineup. But what they did a lot of things, what they did a lot about this watch is to make sure that it's much more slimmer. A lot of people was complaining about Cellinis and their lineups because they are pretty thick for the dress watch. In 1908, Rolex fixed this problem. It's super slim, it's very elegant, and it will look very nice on your wrist. The watch is powered by 7140 caliber, which with Rolex, as always, is in-house. It's have a 66-hour power reserve, which is very impressive for how slim this watch is. So it will be running on the wrist almost 3 days after you take it off. And obviously with this model, as a lot of people know, it was one of the first mass-produced Rolexes that actually come with the open caseback. So now you not only can speak and talk about Rolex movement, but you actually can see them and see them in action. So beautiful timepiece, super nicely decorated. So Rolex did a great job first time opening their casebacks on this model. And I'm sure that a lot of people will prefer it. And I'm sure that Rolex will come up with more models that have the caseback open to showcase the movements. The cool thing about this watch is the design that Rolex put inside of it. So if we look at the dial, they describe it as intense white dial. I probably see more silver to it, but the lines and design of this dial speak Rolex. First of all, we have the reversed Explorer dial with the 3, 9, and 12, except of 3, 6, and 9. And you also have the small second hands, which is kind of the classic thing for the dress watches, that you don't make a full dial very busy with the second, minute, and hour hand. It's also have the new style hands for Rolex. So the hour hand will have kind of like apple shape, and the minute hand is just a straight baton hand. So you quickly will be able to differentiate one from another and tell time on this watch. Also, if we're looking closer to like a bezel combination, it's actually divided bezel. So Rolex decided to put two of their most iconic design into this watch, and they made the half bezel smooth and half bezel is fluted. So the fluted bezel is more on the edge of the bezel, so just to give a little bit of shininess and also show the kind of border of the watch, which is very nice design. But it's also having this smooth bezel, make it smooth part of the bezel, make it a little bit less busy and something that will not take your attention away from the dial, which is the main character of this watch. Also, if we take a look at the leather strap, it's actually a brown leather strap. It's made from alligator, but inside Rolex decided to put the green interior to kind of commemorate their main color of the brand. So Rolex is associated with green, all their boxes are green, and they decided to put green inside of their leather straps for 1908. It's a beautiful model, it's a fresh arrival, so you won't see a lot of them on the market. We have it at SwissWatchExpo. If you're interested in adding something new to Rolex collection, maybe explore the dress models a little bit more, we'll be happy to help you with that. We have all the type of Cellinis and now 1908, so please give us a call and we'll be happy to help.